Black Diamond Ranch is one of the most beautiful and serene communities in the southeastern United States. The development spreads over 1,300 acres of rolling terrain with over 160 foot of elevation change within the land. The community was master planned with fewer than 800 home sites. Soon after opening, the development won the Aurora Award for the best master planned community in the state of Florida. The development was recognized for its beautiful rolling terrain, its outstanding preservation of the natural environment, its generous use of open space, and lush landscaping. World-renowned golf architect Tom Fazio designed 45 beautiful holes of golf, and the Quarry course has been recognized as a top 100 course for over 20 years. Black Diamond homes are finished with pleasing earth tones and nestled into the hammocks of trees and natural vegetation to create a blending effect, bringing the natural beauty of the landscape to the foreground. If you're looking for a quiet, peaceful, and spacious place to call home, visit Black Diamond Ranch and get acquainted with this beautiful private community.